In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a Charlie card in Boston. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All the information necessary for you to acquire and use a Charlie card is going to be available on the MBTA website, the Massachusetts Bay Transportation Authority. So all that you have to do through a web browser on your computer or your phone is visit mbta.com. After you arrive at this page, the information necessary for you to acquire the card is going to be under the Fares menu at the top of the screen, and then Get a Charlie Card. Immediately upon clicking on Fares and then Get a Charlie Card, you will be redirected to this page with all the information necessary for you to acquire your Charlie card. For the most part, they are going to be sold on physical locations. So as you can see, you can purchase them on the upgraded fare vending machines, as you can see here is an example, or from the MBTA staff at most subway stations and some select bus stations. This is a list of specific fare vending machines where Charlie cards are not available, so keep that in mind. Alternatively, besides this, you will be able to find them on some specific locations that you can check here. So expand these menus and you will be able to browse through all of the locations in which you can get your very own Charlie card. So you can browse through all of these locations, and as soon as you visit them, the information necessary for you to acquire the Charlie card is going to be there. So the address is going to be listed here, and as you can see, some of these locations will include Boston, and this is all you have to do. As long as you can go to any of the locations listed here, you will be able to get your very own Charlie card. Afterwards, you can get more information when you return to Fares overview, including the price, the types of cards, and which one is best for you. As long as you can go to any of the locations listed in this page, you will be able to acquire the Charlie card like I mentioned. Use the tools provided by them here to find the closest location near you. Usually this can be a library, a store, or subway, buses, etc. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a Charlie card in Boston. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.